So you've applied for housing and now it's time to select your room. You should have received a time slot via your official university email. After your time slot begins, log back into the university housing application. Remember, it's here under the Student tab in My UT. Click Application and select a term to access your existing application and pick your room. First, go to the Select Room page and select your desired building. Next, select a floor. This notation means that the room is on a living learning community floor. If you select an LLC room and no beds are found, it's because you are not eligible for the LLC. Here you'll select a room. Available rooms are listed on the left. Next to the room number is the number of available beds. If a bed space is occupied, you can select this magnifying glass to see who is already in that space. Finally, you will select your bed. If you already have confirmed roommates, you'll see multiple options here where you can also assign beds for your roommates. When you see this confirmation page, you're done. It's that simple. Welcome to UT.